Hello and welcome everyone to another StageDesigner tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see how to use tags and filters in StageDesigner to navigate inside of Preload in case we have big number of clips, or how to organize and sort out those clips as we would need for each project. For that I would first import a number of clips into the Preload, and once I double click on any of these clips I have the tab of tags here available. Once I'm inside, I can think of any keywords for me to help me remember these clips or find them faster at a later time. So for example, this clip I can write text, or let's say I'm working on a theater project. There's different parts, different acts for this theater, and I need to sort out the different clips that I'm using for each part of this show, and I can use tags to, for example, put act 1, and I click on enter, I close this. I have already given some tags for the other clips here. This video I use for my act 1. I can just name it, it's an effective video, which means it is creating some effect and it's got a white color balance, let's say. And I open the second one. This is also for act 1. Effective is a bit of a reddish video, and so on and so forth. For act 2, effective pink. And once I am done tagging all of these clips that I have, I can here go to the filters, and from the second menu I can select tag, and here I have the option to go for include or exclude, which means include all the videos which are tagged this, or exclude those videos, which means if I, for example, would look for all the videos I would need for act 1, I can just type here act 1 and include, and I would see only the videos that I would use or need for the act 1. If I would click here, type here act 2, I would only see those, and if I change this to exclude, means I would see every other video other than the ones that I need for act 2. So I could add another filter, which means I can, for example, here go again to tag, and here write I would need every video that I have for act 2, and it is with text. So I have these 3 videos which have text, or I've tagged them as text, and I'm using them for act 2. So this way I can just use these filters to add more and more and more and more tags to kind of come to the specific videos that I would need. Let's say I would add also here and exclude, and there are other options here. For example, I have the length, and I can say include every video for act 2 which has text and is, let's say, more than 2 seconds or 4 seconds. I don't have any videos in that, but yeah, I can select less than or something else to just navigate to those videos that I would want. If I want to deactivate, activate any of these filters, I can just click this and I would activate or deactivate them. Once I have generated all of the filters that I want and I don't want to use them, I can just deactivate them and close the menu, and whenever I would need these, I can just open it again. Once I want to delete these tags, I can just click on the X and they would be deleted, and I would be back to the normal view. So it's always a good idea, once you have a certain number of clips that you're working with, and in case you're working with large number of clips, to once go through all of them, tag them, and then use filters for bigger projects to quickly filter the clips and use only the ones that you need. I hope you're enjoying using the software and these tutorials, and hope to see you in the next one.